What's up YouTube, it's Mr. Clean and thanks for joining me on the Pegasus 303 channel. The following tutorial is about the boot0 error for your Hackintosh. What that means is your system's not quite ready for advanced format or 4K drives or 4K clusters, which is generally, I believe, 1 terabyte or larger drives. So you've installed MultiBeast on your Hackintosh and you reboot it and you get the following error. Don't worry, there is a way around that. So go ahead and reboot. You most likely have to hit your reset switch. Now remember to hit F12, continue to hit F12. Okay, when you reach this screen, go ahead and select your USB drive because we'll be booting off our UniBeast drive that we used to install OS X on our system originally. So go ahead and select that USB drive, hit enter or return. And before it fires up, remember to hit the space bar and enter the following boot flags, much like you did when you installed OS X on your Hackintosh. And this may vary depending on your build, but this is based on my Gigabyte X99P SLI motherboard and my GeForce GTX 970 NVIDIA card. So I cut the video for the sake of time, and let's go ahead and just let this do its thing. Okay, so choose your language and click the next arrow. Okay, we got to the installation page, but we are not going to install OS X. We're going to go to Utilities. Oops, try that again. Disk Utility. We're going to select our Yosemite drive. Simply right-click and unmount. Now, if you're unable to right-click, you can simply go to File, and you can mount or unmount or use a shortcut that you see here. And for description purposes or demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and show you this way. Okay, unmount. Okay, quit disk utility. Now we're going to launch terminal. Now, real important, don't be intimidated by the screen. Just enter the code very carefully and as you see it on the screen or in the description. So, lowercase dd space lowercase if equal slash lowercase usr slash lowercase standalone, one word, slash lowercase I 386 slash boot boot, that's lowercase numeric 1 lowercase h space of lowercase equals slash dev lowercase dev slash disk lowercase disk numeric 1 lowercase s numeric 2. Now here's a tricky part. I thought I had my drive attached to the SATA port 0, but it's actually on SATA port 1. So this number right here is really important. So I had to change 0 to 1. And if you do not have this correct here, it will not work. So we'll go ahead and hit enter. And this right here tells you it worked. We're good to go. So go ahead and quit terminal. Now, if you want to see what port your drive is attached to, simply go to Disk Utility. And select your drive. Sorry, my graphics are a little weird. I'm not booted off my drive with the NVIDIA driver installed, but you're going to go ahead to Get Info, File, Get Info, and Disk Identifier. This is it right here. So this is that last part of the code. So reboot and everything should be fine. Please remember to like and subscribe below, and thanks for joining me.